안녕하세요, JungAh here. Today, I'll be answering the question, how do you ask, do you speak English in Korean? This can be a great addition to your conversation starter pack. It will be especially useful when meeting Koreans in Korea for the first time. You can use this to help get to know them better. To ask this question, you could say, 영어 할 줄 알아요? This can be answered a few different ways. For example, you might hear the reply, 네, 조금 해요. This means, yes, I speak a little. The reply, 네, 잘해요 means, yes, I speak English well. If you hear 아니요, 못해요, that means, no, I don't. If you want to learn Korean, we have a structured online course that will teach you how to have a 3-minute conversation in the first 90 days. Find out more and get a free lesson at 90daykorean.com. 안녕!